girl, hey, welcome to my channel, All Juice No Tea. Today we're going to get into how to create a custom unit by hand. I am using 5 bundles in a frontal transparent lace from my hairline Le Juice Co. The link will be in the description box. So you're going to get you a mesh dome cap, put it on your canvas head. This canvas head is 22-inch circumference. This is the exact measurements for my head. So they have different sizes like 21, 22, 23. They have half sizes as well, but this is what best fits for my head. So put the cap on and I'm pinning my frontal onto the cap like this. After you're done pinning your frontal down, you're going to take your clips and clip your hair out the way so it doesn't get in the way when you start sewing it down. So take your needle and thread. I already have my needles ready to go, so I have like a whole other canvas full of needles and stuff. And get right into it. As you all can see, with each stitch, I kind of wrap my thread around the needle like 3 or 4 times, and that secures your stitch. It like double, triple, quadruple knots it all in place, and it will not move. Once you're done sewing your frontal down, you're going to take your longest frontal. So the inches I have is 22, 224 inches, and 226 inches of my loose wave hair. So I'm going to take one of the 26 inches and I'm going to double weft it. So I'm kind of like, you know, spreading the hair out, all that type of stuff, and unraveling. And I'm going to put my needle right through them 2 wefts right there, if you can see. When you're sewing the weft onto the elastic band, like right there at the bottom, you're not going through the elastic band. You're only going through the skin of the cap. Because if you go through the elastic band, your cap will not stretch on your head. It's supposed to still be like, you know, stretchy and stuff like that. If you go through the elastic band, it will not do that. So only go through the skin of the cap when you're putting your wefts right here at the bottom. Once you reach the end, you're going to fold the weft and pin it down like I just did. And you're going to sew this really tight so it can just lay flat as possible. Now, some people cut their wefts and stuff like that. I kind of don't like to because it can cause shedding. And like, what if I want to take this down and, like, you know, do a sew in on myself or something like that? It just preserves the bundles when you don't cut them. So I don't like to. So this is the way I do it. That's pretty much all it is to it. You're going to continue the slip over method until you get to the top of the unit. And like I said, I used 5 bundles when I got to my last bundle, which is the 22 inch. I start single wefting. And I start single wefting so the top can be flat as possible. So when I get to the tip of the top right there, you see how it's like a little bit of that like lace still showing? You're going to cut it and you're going to place your track right on top of it and sew that on flat. When you're done sewing your bundles in, you're going to cut that excess cap from underneath your lace, just like this. And if you have an elastic band, get that, measure the nape of your neck, and you can add combs in there too. I'm going to show you all how to do that as well. So boom, measure the nape of your neck. Go ahead and sew your band on each side of your lace so it can be real snug when you put it on. Some people prefer combs in the back so it can like stay down. Some people like, the elastic band is enough. I put it on just little razzle dazzle. Sometimes I don't like the combs because they be hurting. But yeah, I knew I was going to be flipping my hair and all that type of stuff. So I just went ahead and put a comb in the back. When people order on my website, that is optional. Y'all can tell me if you want a comb or not. Like, I do whatever y'all want me to do. But it's definitely a preference. And boom, shakalaka, like, look at my girl. Look at my girl and her curls, okay? Look at my girl and them curls. It's giving Diana Ross. It's giving Dina and Effie from the Dream Girls. It's just giving what it needs to give, and I love what it's giving because it gave what it gave and it gave what it gave, and period. Well, thank you all for watching. If you all want more tips, tricks, looks that you all want me to try, any more tutorials, please comment below. Watch, like, subscribe. You know what the deal is. Thank you for tuning in to All Juice No Tea. Bye, babes.